The Haier 6200 BTU ultra-quiet window air conditioner is a reliable cooling solution for small rooms and bedrooms. With dimensions of 23.25 into 21.25 into 15 inches and weighing 56 pounds, this unit by Haier is designed to efficiently cool spaces up to 250 square feet. Manufactured by Haier and originating from China, this air conditioner boasts an ASIN of B083V76MM7 and item model number ESAC 406TZ. It has received positive feedback from customers with a rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars based on 2,093 reviews, positioning it as a top choice in home and kitchen category, ranked at #24, 998 overall and #15 in window air conditioners. The white finish of the unit blends well with most interiors, adding a sleek touch to the room. This product comes with a 1-year warranty offering replacement, repair, or refund options, with a 90-day vendor return policy. It requires batteries for operation and includes a window installation kit along with a remote control for convenient use. This portable air conditioner by Serene Life, the SL Pack 8 SLPAC, offers a convenient and efficient cooling solution for spaces up to 1,800 cubic feet. With a cooling power of 8,000 BTUs and a seasonal energy efficiency ratio, SEER, of 9.8, it ensures effective temperature control while being energy efficient. The unit's portability allows for easy movement between rooms, making it a versatile option for homes, offices, or small businesses. The inclusion of a remote control adds to the convenience, allowing users to adjust settings from a distance. One of the standout features of this air conditioner is its dehumidifier function, which helps maintain a comfortable humidity level in the room. This is particularly beneficial in areas with high moisture levels. Measuring at 13.8 inches in diameter, 14.6 inches in width, and 27.2 inches in height, this unit is compact and can fit in various spaces without being obtrusive. The sleek white color adds a modern touch to any room's decor.
The LG 6000 BTU DOE 8000 BTU ASHRAE portable air conditioner is a versatile and efficient cooling solution for spaces up to 250 square feet. With a weight of 54.2 pounds, this portable air conditioner from LG Electronics offers a convenient cooling option that can easily be moved from room to room as needed. Equipped with a 1-year limited warranty, the LG LP0621WSR provides peace of mind to users, ensuring reliable performance. The included components such as the portable air conditioner unit, LCD remote control, and window vent installation kit make it easy to set up and start cooling your space quickly. With a noise level of 53 dB, this air conditioner operates quietly, allowing you to enjoy cool air without disruptions. The 2.43 pints capacity ensures efficient dehumidification, creating a comfortable atmosphere in your room. In summary, the LG 6000 BTU, 8000 BTU portable air conditioner is a top choice for those seeking a portable, easy-to-use cooling solution for spa.
The Honeywell HPA 200 HEPA air purifier for large rooms is a reliable and efficient solution for improving indoor air quality, suitable for spaces of up to 310 square feet. With dimensions of 17.7D into 18.8W into 10H, and an item weight of 13.91 pounds, this air purifier is designed with the user in mind, delivering powerful performance in a sleek black design. Equipped with a HEPA filter that captures particles as small as 0.3 microns, this air purifier effectively removes airborne pollutants, allergens, and odors to create a healthier living environment. The 60 dB noise level ensures quiet operation, allowing you to enjoy cleaner air without disruptions. The button control interface of the Honeywell HPA 200 makes it easy to adjust settings and customize the air purification process to suit your needs. Additionally, the unit is easy to maintain with hand wash care instructions and requires no assembly, providing hassle-free operation. Backed by a 5-year manufacturer limited warranty.
The AIRO Comfort Portable Air Conditioner 12000 BTU is a reliable cooling solution suitable for both residential and commercial use. With its powerful 12,000 BTU capacity, this air conditioner is designed to cool rooms up to 550 square feet efficiently.
Crafted by ARO Comfort, a trusted manufacturer known for quality products, this portable air conditioner ensures a comfortable indoor environment during hot days. The unit is made of durable acrylonitrile butadiene styrene material, guaranteeing longevity and sturdiness. Featuring a user-friendly design, the AIRO Comfort Portable Air Conditioner comes with a remote control for convenient operation. The LED display allows for easy monitoring and adjusting of settings. The installation process is simple, thanks to the window installation method provided. With a low sound level of 50 dB, this air conditioner operates quietly, providing undisturbed comfort. The white color and sleek design blend seamlessly with any decor. The AC12 MWS